Hey, I'm Travis Street with Complete Technology Solutions, and we're here at 830 Water Tower up in Big Rapids, Michigan, a Spectra student housing development project. And I'm here to show you how to use one of the cool technologies at this clubhouse, and this is the conference room that's located here. In this conference room, we've got several cool ways to be able to connect to the TV, and I'm going to show you how. So, when you walk in, the first thing you're going to see is this remote right here. All right, and when you access the TV, hit the power button. And it turns it on. So the first thing you're going to see is the Apple TV, which was on by default, but you can actually change what inputs you want to actually access. So by hitting the home button here, you have the option to change to an Apple TV, a web conference, or a wireless laptop. When you click on the Apple TV, it actually pulls up the Apple TV that's located behind the TV. From here, if you've got an Apple device, either an iPad or an iPhone or a MacBook, you have the ability to wirelessly project your screen to the TV. Pretty cool. Now, let's say that you are ready to have like a group study session and you don't have a computer available with you. Well, we got that covered. If you click on the home button again, and then click on web conference, you'll see we've got a TV back here. Now, right now the screensaver's on. If you use the keyboard, mouse, and wiblet, we've got a computer ready for you to go. You can use the keyboard, you can use the mouse, and do whatever you need to for projects. Pull up PowerPoint presentations, Word documents, anything you want to do to collaborate. Also, you'll notice that there is a web camera, which you can see both of us on here. And this web camera allows you to do distance learning. If you use Zoom meetings or any other way to be able to communicate with your friends, family, you can do that in here, just using the camera that's built into the computer. So the computer's a good way to be able to talk and do projects, but I'm going to show you the third way, and that is with the wireless display adapter. So I'm going to hit the power button again, or the home button, and I'm going to choose wireless laptop. Now, you're going to see the screen that pops up here, and this is where you're going to have your own laptop with you. And if you've got a laptop that is anywhere within the last 3 to 4 years of age, it should work. And I'll show you how to do this. So, you pull your laptop up. As you see, we've got our laptop going on here. You want to type in the magical Windows command, which is the Windows button and the P button. When you do that, you'll see you've got multiple options here. PC screen, duplicate, extend, or second screen only. And then you've got another third option, or fifth option down here, called connect to a wireless display. So we're going to go ahead and click on connect to a wireless display. And then you're going to see a list of displays that are available right here. You want to choose the conference room display. Hit OK. And then if you look on the screen, it'll say connecting to Travis Street, which happens to be the name of my laptop. And here in a moment, you'll now see that I now have a second screen wirelessly connected to my laptop. And from here, you have the option to share your screen, and you'll see I've got the web page for 830 Water Tower on my laptop. I'm going to move it over here onto this screen, and voila, wireless display. So again, these are 3 of the cool technologies that are here in this clubhouse and the conference room that you can use. You've got the Apple TV, you've got the PC that's located behind the TV that you can do projects and use the webcam with. And finally, you've got the wireless display adapter, so if you want to bring your own laptop, you can have multiple people in here working together, sharing back and forth, and wirelessly displaying your screens. So hope you take advantage of the technology. It's really cool, and it really makes things a lot easier to do your job and to have fun too. So we hope to see you here. Thanks.